Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the tiptoe dance trend. This is a super easy, fun dance that's trending on social media. It is Dance to Cake by the Ocean by DNCE, and it is not my choreography. I will tag the original creators down in the video description. We're just going to break down the moves nice and slow, step by step, using some repetition and having some fun. Please note this video is going to be the tutorial only, so we're not going to dance it with music in this video. However, I do have another video where I will dance it with music, and it is linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music. All right, let's dance. Here we go. So this is a two-person dance or multiple-person dance. Of course, it is just me, so if it's just you, that's okay too. You can choose which parts you want to learn. I will show two different parts as we go along in case you are dancing with multiple people. We're breaking the moves down into counts of 8, and we're gonna have 6 of those total. It's gonna be fun. Let's get started. Our first 8 count. This is the tiptoe step. So when they say tiptoe in the lyrics, you're going to tiptoe in whichever way you want to. You can just step forward. I've seen people do that. You can actually like tiptoe, tiptoe. I don't know what my hands are doing. The counts, you're gonna tiptoe on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're tiptoeing on 1, 2, and 4, 5 of that first 8 count. If you're doing this in partners, your first partner can go 1, 2, 3, and then the second person can go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just listen to the lyrics and it'll be tiptoe, tiptoe, oh, but I'm gonna count it because you don't want to listen to that the whole time. So person 1 goes on 1, 2. Person 2 or anyone else goes on 4, 5. I'm gonna go both times. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. We can tiptoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Whatever you're doing is perfect. 1 8 countdown. You're doing an awesome job. When you're ready, we're gonna go on to our second 8 count. So we tiptoe, tiptoe. You use that. We did 4, 5. You use 6, 7, 8 to just kind of reset yourself. Person 1, or if you're dancing by yourself, we're going to take your hands, what are these called? Thumbs and pinkies out, and you can shake them or just hold them here and shake your head. Either way, the original video, I think they're just shaking their head, but I've seen people do this too. So you're just moving forward. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to take your right hand and say, come on 4, and then you're going to keep going, 5, 6, 7, and you're going to clap on 8. So 3 walks, 2, 3, come on, 3 more walks, then you clap. That's part 1. Part 2, you're waiting until they say come on. So you're just kind of like cheering your friend on. 1, or whichever way they're standing. 1, 2, 3, then you take off. 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't matter which foot you step on. Just move forward. So we're all gonna move forward on 5, 6, 7, 8. Person 1, or if you're dancing by yourself, we start on 1, 2, 3, 4, then everybody 7, 8. Yeah, our first 2 counts from the tiptoe. It's hard when there's just one of me, but you're gonna get it, I believe in you. Here we go, 5, 6, we're gonna tiptoe on 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Person 1 goes 1, 2, 3, come on, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, fantastic job. Our third 8 count, when you're ready, we finished, we walked forward and we clapped. You're gonna take a little step to your left and you're gonna take your right hand and it's just gonna push over 2 times to the left, and then your left arm's gonna push 2 times to the right. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to your left with your right arm, then with your left arm. From here, you're gonna switch your weight because we're gonna go to the left. You're gonna touch this right foot. 5, 6, 7. So you have 3 touches to circle your body around, and then you're gonna run back and 8 and. 3 touches around, 3 little steps back. Your hand, you're just taking this right hand and doing this. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, and then you run back, 1, 2, 3. It's when the song goes, ah, and you take your hands up. So this 8 count, it's your third 8 count. Woo, we're breaking down already. We're gonna go to the left, 1, 2, to the right, 3, 4, then you take that right foot around, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and little runs back. Here we go, count in. 5, 6, our third 8 count goes 1, 2, 3, turn it on, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Yeah, try it one more time. 5, 6, 7 to the left, 2 times, then 2 times, then circle, touch, 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 run, run, run. Yeah, very nice. That's gonna come after we walked forward 7, 8, and then you're gonna go out to your left. Nice and slow from the tiptoe. You're doing great. 5, I forgot to mention if you do the same thing, both people do the third 8 count the exact same. Here we go. 5, 6, tiptoe. 5, 6, 7, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, person 1 starts 1, 2, 3, come on, 5, 6, 7 to the left for 2, right for 2, turn it, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Here we go from the tiptoe. 5, 6, we're gonna tiptoe on 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, we walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 to the left, 2, 3, then we go around, 6, 7, and 8, and. Yeah, great job. All right, it's fourth 8 count time. We went around, we ran back 7 and 8. You're going to do a little Macarena action. So if you don't know the Macarena, what? Here it is. You're gonna go right arm, flip the right, flip the left, cross the right, cross the left. That's part of the Macarena. And then you're gonna go, ah. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right, left, flip, flip, cross, cross, ah. Right, left, flip, flip, cross, cross, ah. But it's very fast. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's just, they're barely, if you just do this, it'll be fine too. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, we're gonna break apart again. You're gonna face your other person or face your people. One person's gonna just, it's whatever you wanna do, but I'm gonna push and then I'm gonna point. So I'm going push and point. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the other person is just gonna do the opposite. 5, 6, 7, 8. So push or point. And it's just like, I'm doing 4 times, I think. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. But don't get caught up in it. Just do this and do this. Or if you're this person, do this and do this. Everybody does the Macarena together. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you turn and turn, or say turning there, yeah? Here we go. So I'm gonna turn this way. If you were the other person, you would turn this way. From here, 5, 6, 7, right arm goes right, left, flip, flip, cross, cross, ah, push, 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 point, 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 point. The counts are 5, 6, 7, nice and fast. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. I should do it to you. You're my partner. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Yeah, fantastic. Let's add it on. So the step right before that, we did 2 to the right, 2 to the left, turn to the left with the right foot. You ran back, and then you're gonna go 1 and 2 and. We'll just add from there. That right arm is gonna come down. Nice and slow from tiptoe, tiptoe. Sounds just like that. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, tiptoe on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Yeah, try it for me. I forgot. This is 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and. See, we all forget. Try it again. 5 from the tiptoe. 5, 6, 7, tiptoe goes tiptoe, tiptoe. 6, 7, we walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left. 1, 2, 3. Turn it. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and Macarena. 3 and 4. Push, 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 and point, 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 point. Amazing job. You're doing an awesome job. When you're ready, let's add on our 5th 8 count. So we finished facing the other partner, the other person, or just this wall. You could just, you don't have to turn. If you're dancing by yourself, you can just stay to the front. But you're gonna turn back to the front here. So person 1, you're gonna take that left knee and you're gonna lift it up and you're gonna turn to the front. So we're gonna go 1, 2. So as it closes, you turn back to the front. 1, 2, and then you're gonna say, come on again, 3, 4. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Person 2, on 1, 2, you can point to them like, go, good job. 1, 2, then you're gonna take your right knee up, 3, 4. So person 1 is going 1, 2. Person 2 is going 3, 4. Whichever way you're turned, it's the foot that's closest to the front of wherever you're dancing. So if you're facing this way, it's this leg. Because otherwise you would end up facing the back. Okay, so again, person 1, we faced each other. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left knee goes up, turn, come on. Person 2, you're gonna go, come on, right knee up, turn. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're dancing by yourself and you did the Macarena, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, you could stay to the front, stay to the front. You can take whichever knee you want and turn, and then just do another knee to turn you back. So you could go 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I dance by myself, that's probably what I'll do. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone's facing the front. We're gonna move forward, left, right, left, right. So you're just taking 4 steps, left, right, and I'm just pointing to the hip of the leg that's going forward. Left, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, walk forward, left, right, left, right. But that's really 5, 6, 7, 8. So person 1, yours is gonna look like this. We did 5, 6, 7, left knee goes up, turn, come on, then step on your left, right, left, right. Person 2, you are facing this way. You're gonna go, you just did 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, come on, 2, 3, 4, step left, right, left, right. If you're dancing by yourself, you did 5, 6, 7, pick a knee, 2, turn either way, then left, right, left, right. Clear as mud? Let's add it on. So from the top, we're gonna tiptoe. Here we go. I believe in you. It'll make sense with the music, I promise. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, tiptoe on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, walk forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push it to your left, 1, 2, 3, around, 5, 6, run it back, Macarena, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, go left, right, left, right. Woo, amazing job. All right, let's learn our 6th and final 8 count. We'll finish this one out. So we turned back to the front and we did left, right, left, right. Everyone's gonna do the same thing this last 8 count. And I'm gonna remember what it is right now. Oh yeah, it's the chorus, the talk to me baby part. So you're gonna take your hands and they're just talking, like talking hands. And I'm just gonna take it, I'm gonna push my left shoulder up, right shoulder up, and then you're gonna go left, right, left. So you're going, talk to me baby. left, right, left, right, left. So you're just doing little shoulder shrugs. Shrug, da, 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 da. Or just do this, da, 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 da. You can't mess it up, y'all. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're on 5, 6. We're gonna step to the front with that left foot, and your right arm's gonna wave to the front, and then your left arm's gonna wave to the front. So same thing like we did to the left, but it was your right hand, to the right, but it was your left hand. It's the same thing, but you're moving forward, and the hand is doing like a little wave motion here. So you want your left foot and your right arm to go, and then left, and then you're done. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's talk to me, baby. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll count you in. Here we go. We're going to talk. 5, 6, 5, 6. Our hands talk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave and wave. Yes. 5, 6. Our hands are going to talk on 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're done. Fantastic job. All right, the time has come to go all the way back to the top, put all 6 of our 8 counts together, super duper slow, just to see how they all fit. So we're starting with tiptoe, tiptoe. Sounds just like that. Here we go, really slow. I believe in you. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Tiptoe, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, walk it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, push it to your left for 2, right, take it around, 5, 6, 7, run it back, then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, turn it, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, knee up, then turn, knee up, then turn, then left, right, talk, new step, talk to me, baby, then we go double wave, double wave. And that is it. Amazing job. Let's do it again. We're going to go a little bit faster. So we'll tiptoe, tiptoe. Here we go. 5, 6, you can do it. 5, 6, 7, tiptoe on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, take it around. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, turn 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and knee, 2, 3, 4, then left, right, talk, hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what's happening, y'all. Fantastic job. We're going to do it one more time here together. We're going to go up a little bit closer to the tempo of the song. It's pretty quick, but I believe in you. You can do it. Here we go. Let's have some fun. So we're going to tiptoe on 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Tiptoe, tiptoe, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, turn it. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and Macarena, 3, 4, push it, 6, 7, turn it, 1, 2, 3, walk, 5, 6, 7, talk, 1, 2, 3, 4, double wave, yeah, amazing job. And that was our tutorial. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, when you're ready to try it with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. In that video, I'm gonna double screen it so that you can see what it would look like if there were 2 people dancing. I'll do both parts. So go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I had so much fun dancing with you. Remember, it's just about moving and having fun, and it's a TikTok dance trend, y'all. You can't mess it up. Just have fun with it. Please go have an incredible rest of your day. Please be kind to yourself and kind to others, and please come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.